What's going on, guys? Ian here with another new video, and today I am unboxing the new Apple Watch SE. Every year I've debated whether I should upgrade my Apple Watch. This year I decided it was time. So we've got the new Apple Watch SE in space grey. Went for the 44mm version. The two size options remain the same as they historically have. So you've got the 40mm or the 44mm, and with the SE you've got the finishes in an aluminium only, and you've got the space grey, the silver or the gold. I went for the space grey. I love that finish, but we did go for the solo loop this time, and must admit, I'm a little bit nervous. I used Apple's measuring device that you can download from their website, and I should be a size 7, although I have seen a few other YouTube videos where people are getting the sizes slightly wrong. In fact, people are generally 1 or 2 sizes smaller than the Apple measuring device says they should be. So it'll be interesting to see whether the loop fits. But I'm really happy with the idea of the solar loop. It looks amazing and it looks like it's going to be so comfortable. Now, the differences between the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE are fairly simple. The Apple Watch Series 6 has the always on display, the SE doesn't. The blood oxygen monitoring is only available on the Series 6. Again, don't get it on the SE. ECG is only available on the Series 6. The new colours with the premium finishes, again, only on the Series 6. And the new Apple U1 chip is only in the Series 6. Again, it's not something that is a deal breaker for me. In fact, out of all of those new features, the only feature I really want is, and it's not really a new feature, is the always on display. I would have really liked that, but I couldn't justify the extra cost just for that one feature. Now, the features that the new Apple Watch SE and Series 6 both have in common is they both have the heart rate monitor, GPS built in, they both have the new microphone and speaker, they both have the altimeter, both water resistant to 50 meters. That's 6 atmospheres for anybody that looks into this sort of thing. So Apple specified that this watch cannot be used for scuba diving or extreme sports, but 50 meters is an awful lot of water resistancy. I could pretty much take that watch on any one of my recreational scuba dives, and in theory it would still work. Both of the new Series Apple Watches, Series 6 and SE, both have fall detection and the built-in compass. So there's a lot of similarities there, and as I mentioned, there's only really one feature that I wanted on the Series 6 that I really didn't get on the SE, which is what made my decision to go for the SE. Yes, I'm finally growing up. I didn't go for the most expensive model just because I could. The SE does everything I want, and let's face it, I'm probably not going to be measuring my blood oxygen all that much, if ever, so I just really didn't see the point in spending the extra money. But we are here to have a look at the new Apple Watch SE, so we're going to get this bad boy open. I love unboxing, especially Apple products. It is so rare that I actually get these. So a nice simple pull toggle here, so we just pull that, and there we go. Look at that. It is smooth, and there we go. Look, that just comes straight off. We don't need that. An Apple Watch SE. The box is Apple's typical design, 44mm with size 7 solar loop, and I'm hoping that isn't too big. I am a little bit concerned after what I have seen. So that just comes out like that, and we have our goodies in here. So we have solar loop and the Apple Watch. This is cool. It is really, really cool. I am so excited about this. So let's get the Apple Watch open first, shall we? So again, pull here and pull here. There we have it, the new Apple Watch SE. So first impressions, it looks very similar to my previous watch. It looks, weight-wise it's about the same, and the display looks identical. So that is our Apple Watch SE. SE. That is amazing. And what have we got in here? So we have got instructions and charging station as well. We've already got one of those, so we'll leave that in there for now. So put that away, put you over there, and let's check out this solo loop. Really do hope this fits. Okay. There is our solo loop. Right there. There we go. That looks gorgeous. Size 7, I think actually might be okay. Right. There we go. Apple logo. Okay, so it looks quite tiny actually. It looks very tiny. Okay, so I've not been using my Apple Watch since my other one had a little accident recently and I didn't want to pay to get it repaired. Hence the decision. Yeah, that is feeling a little bit loose. I could probably have got away with size 6. That's still okay. I mean, that's still it's not going to fall off, and it's not going to go anywhere. But I would probably have preferred one size down. So this one is a 44mm. It is slightly bigger. The previous model Apple Watch I had was a 42mm display on the Series 1, but that was 4 years ago. And side by side, let's have a quick comparison. I mean, yeah, you can tell it's slightly bigger than the previous Apple Watch. This is a Series 1, say this one is 4 years old. This thing is cool. Been wanting a new Apple Watch for a long time, and every year I've managed to talk myself out of it. But we've got the new one here. And that's it. That's a pretty quick unboxing of the Apple Watch. So jumping forward 24 hours, I think the new watch I'm absolutely in love with. It is absolutely amazing. I haven't taken it off my wrist since I put it on when I filmed the first unboxing part of this video yesterday, and the battery is still going strong. Now, Apple never say how long the battery will last on any of their products really, but this one, after 24 hours of constant use, it was on my wrist all night. I have used the watch pretty normally for me, using timers, messaging, taking calls on the watch today. First impressions, very impressed with this, the SE. And to be fair, other than getting really up close and the finish, you can't really tell the difference between this and the Apple Watch Series 6. One thing that really did surprise me is this is the 44mm Apple Watch SE, but the screen real estate on the Series 6 and the SE, and I think the Series 5 as well last year, you do get a lot more screen. That 2mm difference, you do get a hell of a lot better screen, and I think it's brilliant. The band, whilst I think it might be a little loose, actually the watch hasn't moved. It's very, very comfortable. It doesn't really feel like you're wearing anything, but yeah, I'm pretty impressed, and I really do like the sport loop. So first impressions, the Apple Watch SE, I am very, very impressed with. It's definitely worth the money, and for me, it wasn't worth the extra outlay just for the one feature that I really wanted, which was the always on display. And to be fair, this one, it is better than the Series 1. As soon as I lift my wrist, it is alive. I'm thinking this is a worthwhile investment. Very happy with the product. So thanks very much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Press the bell button if you want notifications when new videos go live, and if you haven't done so already, or if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I really do value every single one of your subscriptions, and I really would love it if you would subscribe to this channel. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you really soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Waterfall out.